Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to link your Cash App to TikTok. To begin, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From your profile page, look for the share arrow or the option to share your Cash App details. Tap on it and then choose the option to copy your cash tag link. This will copy the unique link associated with your Cash App account to your clipboard. Next, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your TikTok profile. Once on your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button. In the Edit Profile menu, you will see an option to edit your bio. Tap on that option. If you already have a link or text in your bio, you can delete it first to make space for the Cash App link. Now, paste the Cash App link you copied earlier into the bio section. After pasting the link, tap the Save option, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Once saved, your Cash App link will now appear in your TikTok bio. This makes it easy for others to click and send money to you via Cash App directly from your TikTok profile. That's it. That's how you can solve the how to link your Cash App to TikTok problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.